we are coming to sample
a place that does good sausage.
oh no original Czech meats. You've got to come here. Succulent and moist.
The meats. It's good. Nice feast coming. I'm going to try my Vrat's nice. Yeah, Vrat nice beer.
Oh, that's good. Nice. Best looking steak tartare. We had steak tartare adjusted, but it didn't look fresh like this. Now for all of those, if some of them may know already, steak tartare is raw beef when it's all seasoned, and it is delectable. And we have got meatloaf with pickles and their amazing mustard sauce. Look at that meatloaf. Oh gosh, I need to buy some leaf here. It's firm but succulent. Lots of meat, very little fat, just enough for it to be absolutely succulent. The seasonings, the spices, it's not spicy, it's just absolutely mouth-watering. And with a pickle. I wish you all could be here.
Nice on this meat though. That's quite good.
That marbling, that is gold. That makes it so succulent and moist. Well flavored, not too salty. It is so fresh. There you go. Enough fat for it to be. Just to give it that lovely juiciness, but that is just meat. This is the best butcher.
That's a really nice sausage.
There is no filler. Slightly spicy. The flavors just burst in your mouth.